Hi, could you please tell us your name and what your role was on this project?
Hi, I'm Gina Marantino, and I'm an Educational Technology Specialist at St. John's University. In this capacity, I help faculty and students integrate technology into their courses. So my role in this project was to help Diane and her students use technology to better engage in dialogue and to learn the French language.
Great. And can you tell us what technology tools you used and introduced to the students?
Yes, the tools that were used in this project were Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Maps, Screencast-O-Matic, which is a screen recording tool, Digital Camera, iMovie, and Digication, which has an ePortfolio component as well as an assessment component.
Awesome. And what was the purpose for each of the tools that you used and introduced?
So the technology served three purposes in this project. The first was collaboration. So we use Google Drive so the students, the faculty, and myself can share files. We shared photos and video that we were going to use in our final project. We use Google Docs to work on the script. So when we met, we typed the script into Google Docs, and then we were able to all view it and edit it when we were not together, when we were at home or at school, and we all were able to contribute to the script. The next purpose for technology was for content creation, and so we used Google Maps to actually make the virtual tour. So what we did was we typed in all of the places that the students were going to visit into Google Maps, and then using the street view, students were able to navigate through the Google Maps as they spoke. And if you look on the screen, you can see all the places, actually, like photographs of all the places that they visited. So it looks like they're actually walking through the street. And Screencast-O-Matic was used to actually record this tour. So as students were navigating through Google Maps, they spoke into the mic on the computer, and they recorded the screen with Screencast-O-Matic to make a little video of the tour. Now, the digital camera was used. We actually brought in a student photographer, and she took speed shutter shots. So the students were in the classroom, and they were pretending, this was the beginning of the video where they're talking about where they're going to go. And as they were doing all their movements and the hand gestures, this was also really used for the hand gestures as well, to bring those into the video. The student photographer took fast photos of all the movements, and then they were put together to create a stop motion effect. And iMovie brought all of this together. iMovie brought in the virtual tour and the photographs and some audio and some text that we used to make a cohesive video. The third purpose for technology was for assessment, and that's where Digication came in. Digication has an ePortfolio tool where students can upload projects, so they uploaded the video, and so that way they have a repository of all the work they've done in all their classes, and they were able to add the video to that. But also the assessment tool was useful because once students uploaded their video to Digication, then they were able to share the video with their professor for assessment. Now, the good thing about the assessment tool is it allows for professor assessment and professor reflection, but it also allows for student self-reflection as well as peer reflection. So they're not just getting feedback from the faculty member, but they're getting feedback from their peers as well as assessing their own work so they can think about how they better want to improve on their projects.
All right. Thank you so much, Gina, and let's move on to the next step of the project.
Thank you.